Good morning, everyone. This is Standard 6 Science and video number 3. In this video, we are going to read about the plastic, whether it is boon or a curse. So, first, what is plastic? Plastic is a general common terms for a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic material used in a huge and growing range of application. You can see also the plastic in your homes. It is almost found everywhere, including our houses. Okay, the term plastic is derived from the Greek words that is called plastikos, which meaning fit for molding. Molding means you can mold it at any shape, you can give it any shape to the plastics. Okay, the next point is the last point. There are two broad categories for the plastic materials, that is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Some advantages and some disadvantages are also there. Okay, in advantages of plastic, it comes that the plastic is a strong, good and cheap to produce. Okay, and disadvantage is that it is a non-renewable resource. Okay, next point is plastic is an odorless material, and next disadvantage of the plastic, it can cause a cancer also. And advantage is the plastic is used to make water bottles, pens, plastic bags, cups, almost many things. Okay, thousands of things can be made from the plastic. And disadvantage is that the plastic are combustible. Okay, now here the graph is given how much we use the plastic in our daily life in the world. The use of plastic percentage is given there. Okay, now we will see how the plastic is boom and how the plastic is curse. Okay, so I will repeat that I will start that the plastic are used in a wide range in the product, from the paper clip to spaceship, due to their lightweight and relatively low cost it contains, and resistance to water and microorganism. Okay, it will the microorganism do not cover this, and it is resistant to waterproof also. Okay, and plastic can be given any colors or and shape, and they can be used for making anything. So plastics are very durable. All this has made a plastic a boon for us. Okay, like plastic is used extensively in the modern healthcare also, in helping people living better, longer and fulfilling the lives. Disposable syringe coming, intravenous blood bags, heart valve, that are all made up of plastic. Okay, silicone, a type of plastic used to make a artificial cornea, which is a transparent, flexible and similar to the natural cornea. It can restore clear vision again. Hearing aids, also made up of plastic, used by people with a impaired hearing, are actually a plastic implant. The pills you take as a medicine have a plastic capsules which releases the exact dose at the right time. So all these things made this plastic as an important boon, okay, for us. Now plastic degrades very slowly. Okay, it degrades very slowly. Plastic is so they come in the category of non biodegradable materials. Okay, use of plastic has also created many other problem for us. You can see here in the sea infection in the Hawaii, how plastic has made into the garbage. Okay, there is too much garbage now. We have seen the qualities of plastics. Okay, why it is unpopular? Just now I said it cannot be decomposed easily. It is non-renewable, hard to use and difficult to recycle, and toxic also, and threat to animals. Okay, if the animals eat that plastic, they choke their respiratory organs, digestive organs, and it leads to the death of the animals. Okay, it plastic also choke the our drainage system. In the sea also, some of the aquatic animals eat them. Okay, we often used plastic for the shopping, carrying bags for shopping. After use, we generally throw them away. These plastic bags get into drains and block them. As a result, dirty water spills on the road. That becomes breeding ground for mosquitoes also. The blocked drains could also cause flood-like situation during heavy rain. As you have seen in 2019 in the Kankarabagh Rajendra Nagar area, how flood came in our areas due to the blockage of the drainage system. Okay, now we often throw household garbage, basically this kitchen waste or leftover food, in the plastic bag. The stray animals often eat these carry bags along with the food. Okay, like this cow and like this aquatic animals. Okay, these bags can block their digestive canals and may take their lives. Okay, and the other harmful effect is the plastic in the landfill emit greenhouse gases which trap heat and contribute to global warming. And many people burn plastic waste during the winters. Burning of plastic releases toxic and poisonous gases which may cause respiratory problem, eye problem and cancer. In this way the plastic can be cursed for us. Okay, thank you very much.